Welcome to Pip Insight. Wednesday the 8th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you're in the right place, and today's setup is genuinely worth paying close attention to. Gold is carrying a moderate bearish bias heading into the London Open, with the 4-hour and 1-hour timeframes both in clear downtrends following Tuesday's sharp rejection from the 4,192 area. Price dropped nearly $90 from that session high before finding support, and since then we've seen a choppy, low-conviction overnight recovery. Right now gold is consolidating just below the session pivot around 41.37, essentially in no man's land between two very well-defined structural levels. To the upside, the resistance zone sits between 41.55 and 41.70, that's the prior breakdown area from Tuesday's sell-off, and it's the first meaningful ceiling bulls need to reclaim. To the downside, the support zone between 4100 and 4112 marks yesterday's intraday lows and a critical structural floor. A sustained break beneath 4102 would put further downside continuation firmly on the table. Now, the fundamental wildcard today is the FOMC meeting minutes dropping at 2 p.m. London time. Any hawkish tone, hints of rates staying higher for longer, typically strengthens the dollar and pressures gold. Conversely, dovish language could reignite safe haven and rate sensitivity buying. So going into the session, those are your two anchors: 41.55 to 41.70 above, and 4100 to 4112 below. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1438 and 1.1446. Support is marked between 1.1395 and 1.1403. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3385 and 1.3397. Support is marked between 1.333 and 1.3343. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.42 and 162.65. Support is marked between 161.85 and 162.02. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8095 and 0.81. Support is marked between 0.8062 and 0.8066. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.42 and 1.4222. Support is marked between 1.4155 and 1.4168. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.15 and 217.3. Support is marked between 216.25 and 216.42. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.